Yo, what up, Fugas? What up, Zodiac? Yo, yo, yo. Morning, y'all. Hope y'all doing well. What we got in the markets today? I am Viet. What up, Boom? Zodiac, are you Viet? Happy day. Oh yeah, you are. That's literally my vid is terrible, but that's hey, I know that. Broken. Give me a second. Up. God damn it, my camera just busted, bro. Yeah, I gotta give my parents a call later. Wish them a happy new year. Kind of too. I wouldn't say my Vietnamese is good, but I speak a little bit of Spanish too. Or I mean, I took 3 years of Spanish in high school. But I wouldn't say I speak it. You know, I could kind of get away with it if I was like maybe stranded, but that's about it. I'm like, oh, ¿qué onda, amigo? ¿Qué onda? I don't know. The Spanish I picked up was from like my part-time job as well. Yeah. Like, I love the kitchen guys in the back, bro. Those guys are funny. They're like, hey, ¿qué onda? Yo, what up, Kenji? Okay, 4 hour is looking terrible. What up, Mouse? The 4 hour, we're kind of just like, I guess we're holding this fair value gap on this 4 hours, kind of selling off. 1 hour, same thing maybe. Holding this fair value gap, selling off somewhat. Not really, but shit, like if I don't get like a good higher time frame bias, like it doesn't really matter, to be honest. Like I just play off of like overnight price to see what happens, but you know, it would be nice to have like clear PA on the higher time frame, so it's a little bit easier, but I don't know. So like I'm thinking we push off open though for sure. So I think we rip off open to these London highs at minimum. Because like look at this like London sweep right here. Or sorry, look at this Asia sweep, V-shaped recovery inversion down here. Right? So if you miss the first entry, then you retrace into here, get a strong candle closure. Actually, we didn't really get like I probably maybe would have entered on this candle, but I mean, we're holding the fair value gap right here. So I'll probably be bearish for sure if we close below here. But I would like to see a push off open is what I'm thinking right here. So 1 minute to open. Let's see what happens. Let me pull up my trade of 8 as well. So yeah, let's see. So we're holding this fair value gap too. Like, and then honestly, like maybe if we inverse this, which we might, like this could be a good maybe long potential. How many points would this be though? 59. Like I might honestly like give it a rip off open if we get like a nice candle flip. Like I might give it a try, dead ass. Camera's busted again. Yeah, what up, Pinder? Camera's busted again. Let me check my camera. Dude, I keep having issues with this camera, bro. I don't know. I bought a used camera though. That's probably why. Okay, doesn't look like we might get that. So what could happen is like maybe this is like a sweep right here, and then it's sell off potentially. So I might go short right here. Like this could be a short maybe. We'll see. Or we hold the fair value gap and see if we push. I don't know. PA, like for sure, PA during open has been weird recently though. Okay, so yeah, there's the rip is basically what there it is. Yeah, I'll look at the higher time frame, but it's more for liquidity. Like I'm not looking at the 4-hour fair value gap. I'm not looking at, like, I honestly don't care about the 4-hour. Like in terms of like people be checking the daily or weekly, bro, and I'm like, bro, I'm executing our trade. My trades last like a minute or 2 minutes, bro, maybe 5 minutes. Like my trade has nothing to do with the weekly time frame. The daily time frame, like I don't see a need to do top-down analysis if the current drawn liquidity is like maybe this right here, right? Like if my drawn liquidity is higher, like on the lower time frame, but like the drawn liquidity on the higher time frame is maybe like this short, like it's gonna take a while for us to play out this short, right? Like up here we might push up, which is what I'm playing right now. I'm not gonna wait for this entire fucking price leg to play out for me to find a trade, basically, right? Yo, what up, Philip? Or Felipe, Isaac. Yo. What up, Fugaz? See if we can get a trade in. I mean, I think we still just like rip towards these highs. Bunk model, 100% win rate. Fugas, bro. I don't know how to explain it to you, my guy. Like if you enter a trade on Tradeovate, it just you place your stop loss. I don't know like how to explain. Like if I'm buying, right, then I place a sell stop, right? I place a sell stop. Yeah, stop loss stops. Yeah. All right, there's that high. It's the opposite if you it's the opposite if you go short. It's you do a buy stop instead, because you want to buy back your position basically if you're short. Okay, there's that high. I couldn't get an entry, unlucky. I mean, looking back, maybe like, nah, this wouldn't have been good though. This was a fat rip. Yeah. So like, okay, so now this is like what I'm looking at. This fair value up here basically is if we close below, I'll probably wait for maybe a flip back down, but like I think maybe this could kind of drive us higher basically. Today might be a short stream just because today is a kind of like a holiday for me. So I'm gonna give my parents a call in a bit. We'll see though. Turn my mic up. Camera is busted. Dude, everything is busted, bro. Why is the... Bro, okay. One thing I hate about TradingView too is this shit is so delayed, bro. Look at... I placed this shit like 20 years ago. Yeah, 2 micros per account is 4 micros total, yeah. Okay, we might not get it. Bro, my camera is just busted, guys. I think a whole bunch of prop firms stopped using Project X, so I couldn't tell you. I don't think any prop firm really uses Project X right now. Maybe Alpha Futures, I think. I believe Alpha Futures actually. Can't be 100% on that, but I believe they are. Trying to fix my thing, bro. Yeah, Top Step blocked every prop from using Project X. Yeah, there you go. Sorry, my camera is just... Bro, I need to get a new camera. This is actually annoying. There we go. Oh my god. As soon as I turn it on, it's busted again. Yo, what up, Trade Breaker? It's been a while, brother. Okay, we're just pushing towards these highs, bro. Well, honestly, like, if you just slap along, you might just fucking win this trade, but it's not smart. See if we get a retrace at all or anything. What up, Ori? Up 300 on eval, may just call it quits. I think, honestly, I'm gonna be honest, like, please do. Please call it, like, please call it quits. Don't trade again. You're up on the day. I know, like, I know the mindset is like, man, I could, like, there's still the rest of the entire open, right? It's only 8 minutes in, but you got to think about it. Like, you're up $300 8 minutes in, right? That's way more than enough to slowly pass your eval, right? That's one thing that people can't really accept sometimes, is like being able to pass their eval in a couple weeks or maybe 1 week, right? Instead of they try to rush it in 1 day, 2 days. That's kind of where all the bad habits are built, is trying to, you know, pass it pretty fast, essentially. So that's good. I think you call it quits. Don't try to extract more from the markets, because when you do that, let's say you take a small loss and now you're back to break even on that 300, and now you're going to try to make back that 300, but now you over leverage or something. Now you're down like 2,000, like 1,000, stuff like that, right? You don't want that. So if you're up on the day, I'd say call it. There's no need to try to force it, if that makes sense. I think you're chilling. Yeah, these Asia highs are looking good, bro. This is like a yeah, I like this Asia high right here. We have a lot of liquidity right here. Yeah, take it nice and slow, brother. You good. Camera is unbelievable, bro. I mean, so because of this 1 minute flip, right? Like, so we close above this right here and make maybe an order block. Like, the only reason I would say this could be a potential entry is only for the fact that there is a stop loss now. Like, you have a set stop in mind if you enter this trade, right? Before, if we were to enter over here, Before, if we were like enter anywhere over here, there was like no stop loss placement, right? Like you didn't know where to put your stop. But now, like at least here, it's like somewhat more defined, in the sense that you put in a swing low. Now, like if you were to go down here, we'll probably go lower, if that makes sense. Oops, that's my Instagram. Appreciate it. Oh my god, what is this camera? Yo, my camera's turned off like fucking 5 times, bro. Okay, there we go. ES about to ES pushing as well, like I said. So we close above, like this could be an entry in terms of like, I mean, it's a riskier entry, so I mean if you want to try it, but like we have a clear target right now, which is probably Asia highs, so that's definitely what I'm aiming for. The only reason I say this is we might not get a retrace down here at all. But if you do take this, I'd say like go like a quarter size or like to half size. This is not a good but I'm gonna be honest right now, I don't like it anymore because we're just straight chopping. I would have only liked it if we essentially just kind of just went immediately instead of just doing this chop right here. I would have liked it way better if we just sent it, but whatever. Bro, I might just keep my camera off, bro. This is so annoying. All right, yeah, I'm gonna keep my camera off, bro. This is insane. All right, yeah, we'll just keep my camera off, I guess. I'm gonna take my hat off since I don't need to do that anymore. Yeah, let's see. So 2 scenarios I have in my head right now is if we close below here, probably be short, but then I want to see a bounce off here for longs if possible. Another thing is like it would be nice if we keep selling off a little bit. I was gonna say like this candle, I was hoping that we could create like an inversion, and then that would have been a good long entry right here. Like we retrace into here, have a like an inversion, and then right inverse it. That would have been really good, but unlucky. Didn't get that. Okay, what is this sell off now? Like I said, like if we close below, I'll probably be short, but like I low-key don't really like the shorts right now, but I mean, I guess it could work. This is more, I guess this is could be like a deep retrace in the 5-minute as well, so I'll keep the 5-minute in mind. Like more so, like I'd probably be bearish like if we close below on the 5, but like we'll see. If we somehow manage to hold out right here, that would be good, but like, so now my condition for long would probably be this inversion right here. So we inverse this right here, this would probably be more so my condition long. But if we close below on the 5-minute, then I'd probably be short, but I'll wait to see if we could hold this 5-minute essentially on this 1 minute right here. But we continue selling off, that probably would not be a good sign. Selling off, huh? Okay. I guess this is like an aggressive sell-off then. I guess. Doesn't really look like we're stopping, bro. Holy shit. But I don't really like the shorts anymore, bro, because we already pushed so far down. But fucking A. I'm not saying this is like a good short, but like I said, if we close below, could be an opportunity. But now the only thing that sucks about this is now you don't have a clear stop. Like none of this area provides a stop right here, so you just kind of have to play how it is. But let's see if we could still hold this 5 minutes somehow. Yo. This is some crazy market, bro. Push up 200 points and then sell off another 150, bro. What the hell? Okay, I think this next candle might make us close below right here. Yeah, so we're gonna close below right here. Ideal risk percentage for, I don't know in terms of percentage, but if you have like 2k drawdown, I'd say just maybe risk like $200 per trade. I think that could be like a good starting point. If not, just like $200 a day, basically. Yeah. I mean, we're about to close below, so I mean, I guess I'll get ready. I honestly don't even like this trade, to be honest, but I might give it a try in terms of like the break evens right here, so it's like a quick break even. All right, there's the entry. I'll wait for a flip back down to enter, so I'm not in yet. Wait for better RR, but like if we flip below back right here, I'll enter. The break even's pretty instant. I don't like this trade though, to be honest. Yo, what up, Tom? Yep, happy Lunar New Year, brother. Happy Lunar New Year. Looks bearish, bro. I don't like this. Like, we close strong and then we reverse up, bro. This is like why I always wait for like the candle flip, basically. Yeah, my family celebrates it. I'm about to give him a call after this, pretty soon. All right. Fuck, man. I just don't like it anymore now. Should have reversed instantly, but fuck Unity. Trading. What is going on with this PA, bro? The bad entries are the good entries, and the good entries are the bad entries, bro. Holy crap. Yo, you went to 3 countries? Let's go. What countries, brother? Oh my god, bro. What is that candle? What the fuck? Yo, 90 point candle? Yo, holy shit. Indonesia, Vietnam, Thailand. Oh, that sounds fun, bro. Yo, we just dumped 110 points in this one candle, bro. What the fuck is going on? Yo, okay, I'm gonna be honest. I don't think today's a trading day, bro. What is this shit, bro? Excuse me? What the fuck just happened? Hey, no, I haven't been able to take anything, bro. We just been selling off, pushing, doing some stupid shit. I don't even know, like, first of all, nowhere you have no good stops. That's like, first of all, like if you want to be realistic with your stops, it would look like this, right? But then if you do this, then you get blown out if we reverse somehow. But yeah, there's just no good entries, bro. Like this, I would have taken this right here. I was waiting for a closure right here, basically. But then we just sold off 100 goddamn points. I was expecting maybe, like, I was hoping for a closure like somewhere in this area, so I could have like my stop maybe like this, and then go break even at this internal low. It would have been an instant like break even, but like, I mean, it's better to be safe than sorry. Go break even, try to hold for London lows, because this is not going to be my TP1. If anything, like, this probably would have been my TP right here, TP1, and then like go break, try to hold full TP London lows. But nah, dude. So far, like, what I'm waiting for now, new condition is longs if we inverse this. Hold on. Probably longs if we inverse this. If not, I'll wait for a retrace to see what we do here. Okay, see, this is what I'm talking about. Because now you don't get an entry, bro. It's just gonna sell off without you. I mean, okay, so now I probably have to adjust if that's the case. Like, we might not get like a tap entry, so I'll have to maybe take a starter position now. Not now, but like starting from now, if that makes sense. Like, you just have to adjust to how the market be doing. Gonna be doing this, so we'll probably just readjust. So yeah, I'll wait until London lows. This kind of sucks though, because now I guess the only thing that we have going for us maybe Asia highs, but like, that's so far away now. We'd probably have to push like 300 points for that. Okay, so there's that low. Did anyone even take this, bro? I wonder if like anyone even got an entry. I didn't see a single entry. Maybe like up here, but I'm gonna be honest, I was too much of a bitch to take this right here. Like, I wanted to see for the 5-minute, but like this could have been a good entry, but I don't know, bro. I don't think it was smart. Like, hindsight, it looks good, but I don't think it was a smart trade. Oh, so you did take it. Okay, nice. I'll play it, yeah. Okay, so I guess we'll just kind of see what happens now. Yeah, that candle just dumped 100 points, brother. I don't know. That was insane. Man, I didn't get a single entry, bro. Okay, I mean, do we even have any other targets? Not really. Next target would probably be 425. Like, I'm expecting a potential reversal right here though, somewhat. I don't like, we could probably sell off, but it's gonna be a while until we do. Yeah, I'm probably waiting for this to inverse, so we'll see if we could even do that. Yeah, I already checked the Discord. Fugas, nice. Good trade. Yo, what up, Zabra? I'm just waiting for a trade, brother. Can we please get a trade? Like, looking like hindsight, like maybe this was an obvious short. Maybe, but like we were so close for this Asia high. I was like kind of blinded by that. You're up 781. Let's go, Kenji. What indicator is this? Where do I go for it? Oh, it's right here. How do I? Oh wait, no, it's this one. Go ahead and copy the settings right here. ICT, kill zones, and pivots, and then copy these settings. Just pause the video if you need. All right, I guess we just sell off. Okay. Okay, I guess this is like a new spot right here. See what we do at this inversion. If we might just tap into it and sell off, bro. I don't know. Honestly, I kind of want to play longs if possible, so I'll wait for maybe an inversion if we can get it right here. See if we could go long. Like the lowest setting I could put. Okay. I mean, so far we're kind of pushing. Somewhat. Oh, never mind. Maybe. Wait for a closure now, maybe. Okay, nice. So, okay, so this candle is about to close. I'll wait for the next candle open, wait for the flip down, and then enter probably. If we continue to just go, I might enter. I mean, I might have to just enter off that. Not yet. I'll wait just a little bit. Just a little bit. I'm a little bit greedy. Yeah, okay. So next push up, I'll probably enter. The next push up. Okay, I'll enter off that. Fuck it. Give it a try. This will probably be my only trade for the day. Break even will be, I think my fill's like somewhere right here. Break even will be literally at this internal right here. So see if we get to this internal and then go break even. Try to hold. Maybe. I don't see us pushing all the way back to Asia highs. I don't think so. Maybe until this internal up here. I'll probably try to hold for here. I think I should have waited for the flip though. I got a little bit greedy. I would be more confident if we close above a make of that order block right here though. All right, there you go. Break even. Go break even. Yo, what up, Mizu? Yo, yo, yo. I mean, if we continue to like push, I might hold. But there's the break even spot. Should be good. Scaled out a little bit, but I'm gonna try to hold. See what happens. I don't know. Is anyone in this right now? Anyone taking this? Here, let me redo this actually. I'm gonna do NG Zabra's in this. Nice, nice. Yeah, it should be break even already, so don't even trip. Okay, I got tagged break even on the rest. I mean, I scaled out a little bit. I scaled out maybe like half my position, maybe a little bit less. I was trying to hold the majority of it. Okay, that was a 50-point slam down. Not bad though. Nice quick W. I'm not up a lot, but up a little bit. This PA is not it though. I'm not gonna lie. Like I think I want to say I had the read for the most part, but I didn't execute at all. Like I think today I had decent reads. I'd probably say, obviously, we said I wanted a rip off open. We got the rip off open. I said if we inverse this inversion right here, we're most likely short. But however, I waited for the 5-minute to sell off instead. So if you go to the 5-minute, I waited for the 5-minute to inverse, but then I never got a clean entry on the way down. So I mean, 2 for 2 on the reads, and then down here I said maybe play for a reversal to the upside. We got it a little bit. Execution was kind of eh. It's fine. The execution I think was like the best I could have done given this situation. But over here, I think maybe missed opportunity as well as the short right here. I think that this short could have been the best play of the day. I just didn't take it, bro, because I was too scared. So like I think 3 for 3 on the reads. However, like I only obviously got in on one of the trades, which was probably the worst trade that I could have taken. I think the best trade maybe that up here, but maybe that's just hindsight. I don't know. Like good reads, like I'd say I had like my reading or ability to read the market today was maybe like I'd rank or I'd give it like an A, but in terms of execution, probably give it a C, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Like a C minus, bro. Good reads, bad execution. You need a little bit of both to be able to get away in the markets, to be honest, but who knows. You could have terrible reads and a good execution, make money. You could have terrible reads and make, or you could have good reads, terrible execution, and lose money, bro. It kind of, you need a little bit of both, to be honest, to make money. So like I might retry this inversion as well. I might give it a retry. If not, I mean, it looks like we're holding it. It might slam down, so. I mean, it looks like we're just holding this fair value gap, so like could be a confirmation short. I don't know. This PA is pretty bad. I think that I'll just take that one trade for the day and call it, bro. This PA I don't really like. I mean, we already took most of the objectives. We already took London highs and London lows. The only thing that's left is Asia high, but I don't see us, to be honest, pushing way back all the way up here again after this major sell-off. The only maybe point that I see us kind of taking is maybe this internal low on like the 15-minute. Like this internal low. I think that's kind of where we might be going. I don't know if we have enough steam to go higher. So I think I'll just call it quits today. I'll take my small W, whatever. Terrible execution, like I said, on my end. Should have been a better day, but like I said, I hesitated on this trade. Because honestly, I thought we were gonna hold it and then go back for these Asia highs. I thought that's what was gonna happen, to be honest. So, but looking back, I think I realized my mistake. Like I should have recognized maybe on this candle right here, super aggressive sell-off. When you see a retrace, right? So when you want a fair value gap to hold, right? So when you want a fair value gap to hold, you want a nice and slow retrace like this, right? This is what you want to see when you're gonna hold a fair value gap. However, when you see a aggressive sell-off into a fair value gap, that is not what you want to see. Like, this is not what you want to see, right? And that, guess what happened right here? So on this candle, I should have immediately realized that, yo, this is not a retrace. This is a sell-off, right? This candle right here, I should have recognized that. And then all the more, it should have been confirmed on this candle. So honestly, I should have just not even hesitated, enter off of this candle right here. Stop loss was pretty defined, like you know, stop right here, and just fucking hold the trade, right? But I hesitated, bro. That little bit of hesitation kind of cost me a little bit. So yeah, hope y'all learned something. Like, there's different types of retraces that are good. This is not a good retrace for a fair value gap hold, if that makes sense. So next time you're waiting for a fair value gap to like get retraced into, if you see a sell-off like this into that, it's most likely not gonna hold. You want a nice and slow controlled retrace and then an explode up, right? Instead, this is a very aggressive sell-off, and then that's why we slam through that fair value gap. We don't even respect it and then just immediately continue selling off. So hope that helped a little bit. But that's it for me today. Enjoy the rest of y'all's day. If you guys are Asian, happy Lunar New Year as well. I will see y'all. I'm gonna go give my parents a call later today, pretty much. I thought today was a win, but Asian high didn't sweep was ass. Yeah. Yeah, you guys enjoy the rest of your day. I'm gonna go kind of just chill the rest of the day, give my parents a call. See y'all tomorrow. But that is it for the stream. Stay safe. Good trading. Peace, y'all.